Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how to create and export translation memories from the Fluency Now CAT tool. And once we do that, I'll show you how to import it into future projects in Fluency Now and also in other CAT tools. And in this case, I'm going to be showing you how to use it in an OmegaT project. So this is how it's done. So you open up your translated project, your translated document in Fluency Now, like I have here. And in order to export the TM, you're going to go up to the top here and click on the Translation Memories tab. And here you have different projects. You can open an alignment project to align your texts. And in this case, we're just going to click on the Import/Export Translation Memories option. And once this opens, you can click on the Export Translation Memories tab. And you need to make sure that your language pair is obviously correct. And for this project, I didn't have to align the text or anything. It automatically generated a TM for me. And so then you have the option to either export all of your TMs from Fluency Now, or you can just uncheck that and include a specific project. So in this case, I'm just going to be exporting the translation memory for the project that you see here on the screen. And then you can click on export, and then you can save it as a certain name and in a certain location. So let me just do this really fast. Perfect. And then I will just save it to the desktop for simplicity's sake, and it does save it as a TMX file, so you can use it in pretty much any other CAT tool. So once you click on save, it should generate it. And we should be good. Perfect. So then we'll just go over to the desktop and look for it. There it is. All right. And so then to use it in an OmegaT project, what you're going to do is go to your documents or wherever your project file folder is saved. And then you open that up and you have all the different options for the project. And so you're just going to open the TM folder and drag the TMX file into there. And once you do that, you can open your OmegaT project. And this is actually just the same document that I already had translated in the Fluency CAT tool. And then once you do that, you can click on the segments, and in the fuzzy matches pane, it's going to show the translation memory units. And so that is how to do that. So I hope that helps. And thanks for watching. Happy translating.